Costco put out some more stuff. They got, what would you call these? Trick-or-treat bags, I guess. I thought they were also reversible, but they're not. They're cute. That's not one. And a lot of Disney stuff. Candy bowls. More Disney and Snoopy stuff. I like that. It has a nice sound.
Oh, it moves.
That's cute. But they have some big stuff out now. Got that pumpkin dude. Let's see, that Mickey pumpkin archway is $4.39. This pumpkin dude probably lights up and stuff. $200. And the giant, really cut, I thought it was moving, werewolf up there is $2.50. I don't blame them for wanting to put them way up there so people don't break them. And also still has that really cool fall home decor that it had before. This is what the back of these look like. That is a really long tail in a werewolf, and I'm actually happy about that. Usually they're like that long, like a little nubbin. So all in all, got some pretty cool stuff. I do like the top of that archway with those spider webs. That's very, very cool looking. I love it. And of course, the big giant skelly over there. We all love that one. Cool, cool stuff. But of course, you know what that means. Here's all the Christmas stuff. Getting ready to kick out the Halloween stuff. Boo!